Hi friends, today I resume The Tempest Act 5 Scene 1 from line number 110. We have come to know that Prospero has got control on all his enemies. Now Ariel has been sent by Prospero to call all the mariners from that ship which had been hidden in the deep bottom of the sea. So Ariel has gone to call all the mariners. Now Gonzalo, you know all the characters, Alonso, Gonzalo, Antonio, Sebastian, they all have come back to their senses now. Okay, so but still the mist is not cleared. There is still some mist and they are not able to understand how this all is happening. So therefore Gonzalo says, all torment, trouble, wonder and amazement inhabits here. Line number 110. Some heavenly power guide us out of this fearful country. Gonzalo is a little bit afraid here because he thinks that what torment, so much torture, trouble, sufferings, but besides these sufferings there is wonderful experiences also. There are so many things which amaze us. So this place seems to be quite a mysterious place. It is not like a ordinary piece of land. So I am very much afraid to see the amazement, the sufferings of this place. So I wish that some heavenly power, may God guide us. Some divine power should guide us to come out of this fearful land. So Gonzalo wants to move out of this fearful land because that place seems to be full of mysterious happenings. Prospero says, behold, Sir King, the wrong Duke of Milan, Prospero. So till now, Prospero has come before them in the form of Duke of Milan. He has been dressed up like the Duke of Milan. So he says to King Alonso, Sir King. Using the word Sir shows that Prospero does not forget to give due respect to the kingship of Alonso. He says, respected King, you just look at me. I am before you the wronged Duke of Milan. I am that Duke of Milan to whom you had done something wrong in past. For more assurance that a living prince does now speak to thee, I embrace thy body. Since you may not believe your eyes now, it is quite surprising for you to see me alive. So therefore, just to convince you that I am still alive, I am the real Duke of Milan, so let me embrace you, let me hug you. I want to give you a hug, I want to touch your body, and to thee and thy company I bid a hearty welcome. So just embracing King Alonso, he speaks these words that I bid a hearty welcome to the king as well as his persons, his people. Okay, I extend a hearty welcome to all of you. Alonso, whether thou beest he or no, or some enchanted trifle to abuse me, as late I have been, I know not thy pulse beats as of flesh and blood. Line number 120. Alonso still is in confusion. Though Duke has touched his body just to convince him, but still Alonso says, okay, whether you are really the Duke of Milan or somebody else, maybe still you are some kind of enchanting trifle, means something which is created by magic, because recently in last few hours we have witnessed so many things and everything has deceived me. So I have been deceived by so much enchantment of this place. So you may be the creation of that magic. I do not know who you are, but when you touched me, I could feel your pulse. I could feel your heart beating. I could feel that you are a man of flesh and blood. It means, it convinces me that you are the real human being. And since I saw thee, the affliction of my mind immense. And one more thing surprising I felt just now. That is, since when I saw you, since when I met you and saw you, so the affliction of my mind means the madness of my mind started to improve, started to be cured. I felt a drastic positive change in the senses, with which I fear a madness held me. I was afraid. I thought that a madness has got hold on my mind, but since when I saw you, it has started to be cured. This must crave, and if this be at all, a most strange story. So whatever is happening, I think it can be explained in a very detailed story. There must be something very special which I still want to know. I need to know something more about this story. So the dukedom I resign, and do entreat thou pardon me my wrongs. So, dear Prospero, whatever dukedom I had taken from you, so now I give it back to you, and seek your pardon. Pardon means seek your forgiveness for all those wrongs which I had done to you in past. Please forgive me for my cruelties. But how should Prospero be living and be here? But I still want to know. How can it happen that Prospero is still alive and living in this mysterious land? It is just unbelievable to me. Okay? It is difficult for me to believe that Prospero is alive and is living in this mysterious land. Prospero says, first noble friend, let me embrace thine age, whose honor cannot be measured or confined. But Prospero says that, my noble friend, first of all, it is my duty to give due respect to your age. Since you are an old man, so I should give due respect to you. Be measured or confined means your old age cannot be measured in words. Yani ki you are so great because of your age as well as your position. So let me give you due respect for that. Gonzalo, whether this be or be not, I will not swear. अब गोंजालो अभी भी बहुत कंफ्यूज है, उसे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कि वास्तव में क्या ये प्रॉस्पेरो ही खड़ा है उसके सामने. कहते पता नहीं ये सच है या झूठ है. Whether this be or be not means whether this is real or not. I will not swear means मैं तो नहीं कह सकता. I cannot say with surety what it is. Actually it is Prospero or not. Prospero says, you do yet taste some subtleties of the eye that will not let you believe things certain. Prospero makes it clear. In line number 135 he says, okay, you do yet taste some subtleties. Actually, you have not completely come out of the subtleties means illusions of this island. Still you all are baffled by the illusions of this island. That's why you are not able to believe the things which actually are happening before your eyes. Okay? You are not able to believe the reality because of the illusions. Welcome my friends all. So first of all, let me welcome all of you. Though he welcomes all, but aside to Sebastian and Antonio. But on one side, he takes Sebastian and Antonio and tells to them, but you, my brace of lords, were I so minded, I here could pluck his highness, frown upon you, and justify your traitors. At this time, I will tell no tales. Up to line 140, he says, but you, my brace of lords. Brace of lords means you are the pair of lords. You, my pair of lords. Both of you listen carefully. If I wanted, if I desired, so I could tell your story of deception to the King Alonso, and I could make him angry against you. He would have punished you. He would have frowned at you. Means he would have showered his anger on you. But right now, I don't intend to tell him any more tales. Any more tales of your conspiracies, any more tales of your betrayals. Okay? So, in a way, Prospero here makes both of them aware that Prospero knows everything about them. They should not be in any illusion that Prospero is ignorant of their actions. So, he says that if I minded, if I desired, so I could have made the King Alonso angry with both of you by telling your stories of betrayals. But right now, I will not tell him anything. Sebastian sighed, the devil speaks in him. Sebastian घबरा सा जाता है, उसको समझ में नहीं आता कि कैसे इस आदमी को ये सब कुछ पता चला. How could he come to know? It means he is not an ordinary human being. He must be a devil. That's why he could peep into our hearts. He could look through our actions. So therefore, अपने आप से धीरे से डर के कहता है वो, the devil speaks in me. This man speaks like a devil. It cannot be an ordinary man. When he calls him devil, अब देखिए उसने तो धीरे से बोला खुद को. Nobody else could hear. But Prospero replies no. No refers to कि no, I am not a devil. Whatever you think is wrong. So for you, most wicked sir, whom to call brother would even infect my mouth, I do forgive thy rankest fault. All of them, and require my dukedom of thee, which perforce I know thou must restore. Line number 145. Prospero says, most wicked sir. Who is the most wicked sir here? Who is the biggest villain? That is Antonio. Because Antonio initiated all this foul conspiracy. Okay? So, he says that you are the biggest villain among them, to whom I feel that my tongue gets sores when I call you my brother. My tongue burns with infection when I call you my brother. But in spite of your cruelties, in spite of your heinous crimes, I forgive you. Rankest fault means आपके जितने भी खतरनाक जो क्राइम तुमने किए हैं, घृणित अपराध. So in spite of your hateful crimes, I just forgive you. All of them. Them refers to crime. जितने भी तुमने गलतियां की, जितने भी तुमने मेरे खिलाफ षड्यंत्र किए, मैं उन सब के लिए तुम्हें माफ करता हूँ. But you have to pay back my kingdom to me, my dukedom to me, because you have no other choice. Right now you are not left with any other choice except giving back my kingdom to me. So you have to give back my kingdom to Prospero. Alonso, if thou best Prospero, give us particulars of thy preservation. How thou hast met us here, who 3 hours since were wrecked upon this shore, where I have lost how sharp the point of this remembrance is, my dear son Ferdinand. Alonso, if you are Prospero, Alonso still wants to confirm कि भाई ये जो कुछ भी सामने हो रहा है, क्या ये सच है या ये केवल एक सपना है, ये हमारी आंखों का भ्रम है. Is it illusion or reality? So he again asks कि if you are Prospero, okay, we agree you are Prospero, but you should tell us the story of your preservation. Means how you could survive. We left you to die. So how could you be alive? How thou hast met us here and how you have come to close to us. हम आपसे कैसे मिले, तुमने हमें यहाँ पे कैसे बुलाया, ये सब कैसे हुआ. You tell us the story. 3 घंटे पहले क्या हुआ था? Our ship was wrecked. It was broken and we all were drowned into the sea. Okay? So 3 घंटे पहले तो we were suffering a lot on the seabed. But now, और उसी shipwreck में I lost my son, my dear son Ferdinand, जिसको याद करके I still feel the pangs of pain in my heart. Okay? So that the remembrance of my son is still just pinching my heart very deeply. So let me know, 3 hours before we were facing all this, now we are before you, saw it, how it all happened, how you came close to us, how we have met you. Prospero says, I am woe for it, sir. But Prospero does not give reply in detail. Rather he says, sir, I am woe for it means I am also in pain for your son. I am sorry for your loss. Alonso, irreparable is the loss, and Patience says it is past her cure. Alonso says, my loss is irreparable. Nothing can make up my loss. Nothing can compensate my loss. My loss is irreparable. यानी कि it cannot be cured. It cannot be repaired. Patience says, here patience is personified. कि यहाँ तक कि goddess Patience ने भी कह दिया कि ये loss या ये pain जो है इस ailment को वो cure नहीं कर सकती. Even the goddess Patience has said that it is beyond her curing powers. This ailment cannot be cured by her. Prospero, I rather think you have not sought her help, of whose soft grace for the like loss I have her sovereign aid and rest myself content. Prospero जवाब देते हैं कि नहीं, तुम गलत हो. मुझे लगता है कि you did not seek the help of Patience, because I also have got the same kind of loss. Okay, I also have the same kind of loss, but with the graceful help of, the kind help of patience. Now I am comforted. Now I am contented. You can say I am satisfied now. So I think you are right. You are wrong here. You did not try to get the help from patience, because if you had taken help from her, patience would have helped you. Since same is the case with me, I also had got the same kind of loss, but with the help of divine patience, now I am contented. Up to line number 160. Alonso says, you the like loss? It's a question for him. तुम्हारा भी मेरे जैसा नुकसान? You had the same kind of loss? What is this? Prospero, as great to me as late, and supportable to make the dear loss, have I means much weaker than you may call to comfort you, for I have lost my daughter. Prospero replies, yes, as great to me as late. Late means recently. I also have been inflicted with a very big loss. Supportable to make dear loss. I don't have any means to support myself in this loss. मेरे पास वो साधन भी नहीं है जिससे मैं अपने इस लॉस को पूरा कर सकूं. My means to comfort this loss are weaker in comparison to your means to comfort your loss. Okay? And my loss is I have lost my daughter. मेरी बेटी मैंने खोई है. I have just lost my daughter. Alonso, a daughter. Actually यहाँ पे वो Prospero wants to indicate कि Alonso's daughter is still alive. Okay, so he can be comforted to think of his daughter. But I had the only child, my daughter, and that is lost. Lost does not mean here that she is no more. Here lost means she has been won by Ferdinand, which Alonso does not know. So therefore he says, I lost my daughter here. It is a heavy loss for me. Alonso, a daughter, oh heavens, that they were living both in Naples, the king and queen there, that they were, I wish, myself were muddied in that oozy bed where my son lies. When did you lose your daughter? Alonso हैरान हो जाता है, कहता है आपकी बेटी भी खो गई. Oh my God! I wish that they both could be alive in Naples. काश ऐसा होता कि वो दोनों वहां पर जिंदा ठीक ठाक होते. The king and queen there, they could be. I wish that my son would be the king over there and my daughter also should be living like a queen there. But myself were muddied in that oozy bed. और मैं अपने लिए चाहता हूँ कि मेरा बेटा जिंदा होता, मेरी बेटी होती, उसकी जगह मैं. I should have been drowned deep into the muddy bottom of this sea, where now my son is lying dead. क्योंकि एलोन्जो ने तो सोच लिया है कि his son Ferdinand is no more. Okay, he is not alive. तो उसको तो लगता है कि उसका बेटा समुद्र के धरातल में गहराई में नीचे डूबकर मर चुका है. So therefore he says that in place of my son, I wish I should have been died. When did you lose your daughter? तो तुम्हारी बेटी कहाँ खोई, कब खोई? So he wants to know more about the daughter of Prospero. When did you lose your daughter? So up to here we stop here. What will be the reply of Prospero about his daughter, we will read in our next video. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.